Hi, Ben Sibley here from yourcomfortshoes.com, and what we're presenting today is a shoe called Betsy from the Dr. Comfort footwear range. Now, Betsy is a woman's comfort shoe. This type of shoe is designed for people who might be in industries where they're standing on their feet for a long period of time. So typically the hospitality industry, health industry, the people in sales and retail. This would be an ideal shoe for you, particularly if you're having difficulty in finding footwear that would support your particular foot type. Particularly if you've got a wider foot, the Betsy does come in a lot narrower ranges as well. And particularly for those women who are required to wear orthotics or prescription foot supports to help their particular foot problems. Now, the great thing about the Dr. Comfort Betsy shoe is has some really great features regarding it. So if we have a look at the front of the foot, it's quite rounded through the toe, so it accommodates people or women who have feet with bunions or problems with their little toes or toes that are clawing, who may get corns on top of the toes. So it's a really great shoe in regards to that, and that allows that room through the foot area. It's also a broader style foot as well, so if we have a look through this particular region here on the shoe, it's quite broad, that it allows the support and allows people with a wide forefoot or bridge of the foot to actually fit into the shoe properly. Now, the other great thing about the Betsy, if we have a look down through the shank of the shoe, so if we have a look close up through this particular region of the shoe, is that it's reinforced, and so we don't get a lot of twisting motion. A lot of the challenges with women's fashion shoes is that because of the quality just isn't there. They're not shanked through the midfoot of the foot, and so they don't actually provide really good support to the foot long term. One of the other features of Betsy is that it has a Velcro, and the Velcro is really great in regards to in that it helps when the shoe starts to stretch a little bit, particularly with slip-on shoes, that they get a little bit sloppy on the foot and the foot moves around in the shoe. So what the Velcro enables the foot to be locked down really snug onto the shoe, so we don't get a lot of movement in the shoe. And this is a really great feature for women who are required to wear orthotics or prescription foot supports in their shoe. By locking the foot down onto the shoe, what we find is that the foot really contours really well to the orthotic that sits in the shoe. One of the other benefits too, if you suffer from a little bit of swelling from time to time with the foot, so by the end of the day your foot swells, a lot, then what we can do is you can adjust the Velcro to accommodate that swelling. So that's another really great feature. If we have a look inside the shoe, we have a removable footbed, and so this is a great design shoe to so that you can fit your orthotic or prescription foot support in. The Betsy will retail anywhere from $197 up to $259 at stockers who have Dr. Comfort footwear. And yes, and while you're investing a little bit of money into the shoe, it's going to last you a long time. You should at least get 12 months out of these shoes if you're wearing them, say, 4 to 5 days a week. So this is the Betsy. You'll notice the tread on the bottom of the shoe as well, so it enables a lot better grip when you're walking and doing your activities. I'd rate this shoe at about 7.5 out of 10 for its features and for its value in terms of pricing in regards to value to you as a client. Probably the only trade-offs with the shoe is that if you have any fitting issues in regards to your heel slips up and down in footwear typically, it's sometimes a little bit shallow, particularly if you're wearing orthotics. You'll notice here that we've got a padded collar in around here, so it tends to grip too a little bit better than other standard shoes. If women have challenges with slipping, so the foot slips up and down or pumps up and down in the shoe, the Velcro will actually assist in reducing that. Women with quite big fatty heels, you may find this a little bit challenging in terms of fit. Other than that, this is the Betsy. with the Dr. Comfort range. A really great shoe for those who need a semi-casual style of shoe, particularly for a work situation. You can also use them for going out.